Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mike, and following a big amount of requests, I will be completely analyzing the Matic to USDT arbitrage trading strategy step by step through Binance with a profit of about 15%. The sponsor of this video is our Telegram, where you can find important information and free strategies. We also offer a VIP channel with even more private strategies and insider information. Contact our administrator for purchase. We never contact first, so be aware of scammers. Let's get back to our strategy. Go to the Trade tab and select Spot section. Search and select Matic USDT as a trading pair. Select Market and specify the amount of USDT. As an example, purchase $1,000. The order was instant. Go to Wallet and select Fiat and Spot section. As you can see, Matic is on our Spot account. Switch back to Bitmaky. Click Login or Register if you don't have an account. Next, go to the Exchange tab and make sure that Matic is more expensive there than on Binance. Right now the difference is almost 15%, and this is the market spread. In other words, it's our earnings. Go back to the Wallet tab. Select Matic and click Deposit. Enter the number of coins that we bought earlier and click Get Address. Copy the address and switch back to Binance. Select Matic and then click Withdraw. Insert the address. The network automatically detects as Matic. Enter the number of coins and click Withdraw. Check everything and pass the security check. The withdrawal is successful and will take 5 to 8 minutes. The withdrawal of funds took 8 minutes. Let's go back to Bitmaky. We can now see the funds on our balance. Let's check out the transaction history. As you can see, Matic has been successfully received. Now let's exchange Matic and USDT. The exchange commission is 0.1%. The exchange was successful, and now we return to the Wallet tab. Select USDT and click Withdrawal. We choose the TRC20 network, and since this is a FATS network, it's important to know that it has a minimum arbitrage commission. Enter the amount of USDT. And now we need an address. To do this, we return to Binance. Now we go back to the Wallet, Fiat, and Spot section. Select USDT and click Deposit. We choose TRC20 again. It is important that the networks we choose are the same on Binance and Bitmaky. The funds are sent to the Binance. Let's go to the transaction history and withdrawal history. As you can see, the funds have been sent. Now let's go back to Binance and now go to the transaction history section. Let's refresh the page and wait for the transaction. Those funds were successfully credited to our balance, at the same time a profit of 15%. To find even more strategies, check out our VIP Telegram channel. Good luck and profits to all.